So I'm going to do the first walk around of a Terex crawler I've ever done. I know the owners of this machine. Not real good. They used to deal with us when we had our mill a little bit. So this one says a Terex 8230. Don't know when they last made these. Just throw out a number, guess maybe 82, 83, maybe 84. Or not really sure. Their famous single cylinder lift that the new Cat D7 electric has gone to. So it must have had value if Cat did it. Of course, these used to be Euclids, rebranded as Terex. This one's all of a D8 size. Good life for it doing this. The winch. Big radiator in the back. Kind of different. Don't know nothing about these. Don't know if it has an electric fan to run that radiator or how that works. Probably sounds pretty wild though with a Detroit in it. Sold by Blackwood Hodge. They used to be the Komatsu dealer. Way back when. I don't know if they're still around anymore. Used to be one in the Fraser Valley here. And there was another supplier used to sell Terex around here too back in the 80s. It's called Ferguson Supply. So there, green machine.